What are you doing?
I'm digging! Digging my heart out!
Strawberry! You've got to stop and come inside!
I can't stop! I love to dig, Hazel! I love it!
But it's not safe! Strawberry! Dig, Fayre! Faster! We haven't much time! He can't breathe under there!
We'll never make it.
We will. Together now.
Strawberry, are you all right?
I'm filthy! I'm sorry for causing all that trouble, Hazel. I haven't been of much use, and I just wanted to prove myself. I was afraid you'd send me away.
Never, Strawberry. You're one of us now.
Hazel, we've just encountered the Ephrafa, and they're just as dangerous as I suspected. We must make major changes to the warrant to assure adequate defence. The work must start immediately.
And just who will do all this extra digging, Bigwig?
I will, and so will my Owsler.
But I thought digging was Doe's work, Bigwig.
Ah, but this is defensive digging. Owsler! Initiate digging procedures!